What is up, detailing enthusiasts? Today I thought I would give you guys a breakdown of a few products that are going to help protect your car against these upcoming winter months. Now, here at Detail Garage Los Angeles, there's going to be an 80% chance of rain, so we're going to show you how to properly prepare your vehicle, just like I'm properly prepared for the rain. I've got my jacket on, I got my hat so I don't wash all my pomade out, but today we're going to show you how to enhance the shine of your vehicle while it's hard to detail, but also to help lock out any kind of harsh elements, repel UV rays, and also to prevent water spots. So going down the list here, we have a few products, and we'll start down here with Butter Wet Wax. This is a tried and true product to give you water beating action on glass, painted surfaces, as well as chrome. But if you want to help bulk that up, you can also use JetSeal in combination or one or the other. A lot of guys ask if you need to have a sealant and a wax, but you can honestly use either one of these or both for the added layer of protection. So say you live in an area where you get a lot of snow or you're going to get a lot of rain, this is going to help prevent any kind of water spots or staining on your vehicle during these upcoming winter months. Because as I keep mentioning, winter is a hard time to be outside detailing your vehicle. It's also very impractical because it rains almost every other day in most areas. So having a product that's going to keep your car looking cleaner for longer, also protecting it, is a great option. Now if you're looking for the best of both worlds, but you're looking for one simple product, Activate is a mixture of sealant and carnauba, and I like to use this on vehicles that have wraps or clear bras that are glossy. This is going to help protect it and enhance it, but you're not going to get any kind of buildup along the edge. You simply spray it onto an applicator or onto the surface and then work it in and then buff up any of the excess. And this is going to help repel water spots. It's going to give you a little bit of paint protection, but if you want that long lasting layer, that durable protection, this combination is the way to go. And also if you're looking at a way to maintain this is something you can do on the go. You can do this in a garage, you can do it when it's not raining, or if you have just a few minutes, Blazing Banana. Simply spray it on the surface. This helps to remove any kind of light dust. You can pick up any kind of remaining water spots, and it's also going to help rejuvenate the coatings that you have on the surface, while also enhancing the gloss of the vehicle on any kind of car, any color car, and it's just a great overall product. Alrighty guys, so I know this is a quick video, but I wanted to get you guys as much information in a tiny amount of time so you have enough time to get outside, get your car looking its best before the rain comes. So again, you have Butter Wet Wax, JetSeal, Activate, and Blazing Banana. All these help to enhance the shine of your vehicle, but more importantly, it's going to protect that finish against harsh elements, water spots, rain, snow, anything that's going to be coming at you during these upcoming winter months. So if you want to check out these products, head over to our website, chemicalguys.com, or to your local detail garage. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below, and remember to be safe out there during these upcoming winter months, and happy detailing.